Once you have signed into your Kaplan account, you're going to click on Launch Course. Once clicking on Launch Course, you will be taken to this screen. Here you're going to scroll down to the bottom. In this fourth box where it says NCLEX Prep, you will click on Go to your study plan. Here you will see the essential nursing content. You want to go down to the Check Out the Video Library. You're going to click on Take Me there. This will bring you to the library section. As you can see, there's 322 videos available. You can either start scrolling through to see if there's a topic that you're looking for, or you can begin typing the topic that you're looking for. You can see there's preoperative care. We talked about postoperative care. There, we talked about anticoagulants. There's the video right there. So once you find the video that you're looking for or want to review, you're going to click on the video, click on Review, and there's your video.